Hello! A few months ago I promised we will share also the Bundlestorm version 2 with you, and today is the day. Please watch the video until the end to see how you can download the files and what other surprises we have for you. If you do not remember, I want to show you real quick the Bundlestorm version 1. Link to that video in the description and instruction how to download it. Now let's go to Bundlestorm version 2. As you can see also in this bundle you have a lot of files. One of the most downloaded files are this over 2000 vector icons. Then you have also a huge package with Photoshop seamless patterns. Also some high-res textures. We have also a set of hand-drawn swirls and colors. Please use the arrows to check the images. Also we have a nice package with ornamental vector elements. Another amazing download is this set with over 2000 Adobe Illustrator symbols. This bundle includes over 70 categories of vector symbols you can load inside Illustrator. Now let's talk about the license. You can use the files for personal and commercial works because we have an extended license on this bundle. You don't have to link back or give credit to us, but a like on this video and also a comment will help us to grow. If our channel will grow, we will share more products in the future. Now I will show you how to access the download area. Please check the Bundlestorm version 2. Fill out the form with your name, email address and the password, and in the coupon code enter the coupon visible on the screen. Once you are inside your account, you will see all the download links. In my case I have both bundles. On the bottom of this page you can see a single link to access the Bundlestorm version 2. I hope you will find this bundle useful and it will help you in your project. Next release will be a huge one, over 500 isolated stock photos. Please stay tuned and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.